Welcome to Cursive Lesson 12. Make sure you always do your heading first, your name, number, date. Make sure they're all filled in. Today we're going to be working on the letters H and K. So H looks similar, but K looks a little different than the print version. Directions: trace each letter and use the dots provided to practice writing each letter. So H is going to start off similar to our letter L, our letter F, quite a few that we've done. So this should be a little more familiar. K has a little extra added to it, but it starts off similar to H. So we start on the starting dot. We slant up to the top. We touch the top. We curve back towards the dot. Touch the bottom. Then we need to retrace that line we just did to touch the bottom. Curve up, touch the middle, curve back down, touch the bottom, and make our tail. So we're going to start on the starting dot. We're going to slant up, touch the top, slant back, touch the bottom, retrace that line up till we touch the middle, then we curve around, touch the bottom, make our tail. Start on the starting dot. We slant up, touch the very top, curve back, touch the bottom, retrace all the way to the middle, curve around, touch the bottom, make the tail. Starting dot. I'm going to slant up to the top, curve back, all the way to the bottom, retrace, touch the middle, curve, touch the bottom, make the tail. So let's practice some H's. Start in the starting dot, curve up to the top, slant up, curve back, touch the bottom, retrace that line up to the middle, curve, touch the bottom, curve, make your tail. Start on the starting dot, slant up to the top, curve back towards the dot, touch the bottom, retrace up that line, touch the middle, curve, touch the bottom, curve, make your tail. Starting dot, slant up to the top, curve back, touch the bottom, retrace, curve up to the middle, curve to the bottom, make your tail. Starting dot, slant up to the top, curve back, touch the bottom, retrace up, touch the middle, curve, make your tail. Okay, now let's trace some more. Starting dot, slant up toward the top, touch the very top, curve back towards the dot, touch the bottom, retrace up to the middle, curve around, go down to the bottom, touch the bottom, and make your tail. Starting dot, slant up to the very top, curve back, touch the bottom, retrace up, curve, touch the middle, curve, touch the bottom, and tail. Starting dot, slant up to the top, touch the very top, curve back, touch the bottom, retrace, curve, touch the middle, curve, touch the bottom, make your tail. Starting dot, slant up toward the top, curve back, cross, touch the bottom, retrace up, curve, touch the middle, curve, touch the bottom, and trace. So a few more practices of the letter H. Starting dot, slant up toward the top, touch the top, curve back, cross, touch the bottom, retrace that line, touch the middle, curve, touch the bottom, curve, make your tail. Starting dot, slant up, touch the top, curve back, cross, touch the bottom, retrace up, touch the middle, curve, touch the bottom, make your tail. Starting dot, slant, go up, touch the top, curve back, cross, touch the bottom, retrace up, touch the middle, curve, touch the bottom, make your tail. Starting dot, trace up, touch the top, curve back, cross, touch the bottom, retrace, up, touch the middle, curve, touch the bottom, curve, make your tail. Alright, so that's the letter H. Now the letter K. So the K starts similar to the H. We retrace up, but instead of making the curve and then touching, we're going to make a loop, touch, then go down and touch the bottom and make the tail. So it starts off just like the H. I'm going to start with the starting dot. We're going to slant up toward the top, touch the very top. We're going to curve back, cross, touch the bottom, retrace up, touch the middle, and we're going to loop around and touch the line. Then we're going to curve down, touch the bottom, make the tail. So starting dot, slant, trace up all the way to the top, curve back, cross, touch the bottom, retrace up, touch the middle, curve around, make that loop. Now go curve down to the bottom, slanted, and tail. Starting dot, slant up all the way to the top, curve back, touch the bottom, retrace to the middle, loop around, touch the line, now curve down, touch the bottom, make your tail. Here, starting dot, slant up, curve back, cross, touch the bottom, retrace, touch the middle, loop around, now curve down, make your tail. Okay, so let's try some K's. Starting dot, you slant up, curve back, touch the bottom, retrace, touch the middle, curve around, make a loop. Now slant down, touch the bottom, make your tail. Starting dot, slant up, curve back, cross, touch the bottom, retrace, curve, touch the middle, loop around, slant down, touch the bottom, make your tail. Starting dot, slant up toward the top, touch the top, curve back, slant, touch the bottom, retrace up, touch the middle, loop around, touch the letter again, slant down, touch the bottom, make your tail. Starting dot, we're going to slant up, touch the top, curve back, cross, touch the bottom, retrace, curve up to the middle, touch the middle, loop around, touch the letter, slant down, touch the bottom, make the tail. Alright, let's practice a few more K's. Starting dot, we slant up, touch the top, curve back, cross, touch the bottom, retrace back up, touch the middle, loop around, now slant down, touch the bottom, make your tail. Starting dot, slant up, toward the top, touch the top, curve back, touch the bottom, retrace up, touch the middle, loop around. Now slant down, touch the bottom, make your tail. You need to make sure your pencil stays down till your letter is complete. There's not one time that I've lifted my pen. So you need to keep it down the whole time, one smooth movement. Starting dot, slant up, all the way to the top, touch the top, curve back, cross, touch the bottom, retrace back up, touch the middle, curve around, touch, slant down, touch the bottom, make your tail. Starting dot, slant up, touch the top, curve back, cross, touch the bottom, retrace up, touch the middle, curve around, make your loop, slant down, touch the bottom, make your tail. Okay, starting dot, slant up, touch the top, curve back, cross, touch the bottom, retrace up, curve, touch the middle, make your loop, all the way back. Now slant down, touch the bottom, make your tail. Starting dot, slant up to the top, curve back towards the dot, cross, touch the bottom, retrace back up, touch the middle, loop around, touch the letter, slant down, touch the bottom, curve, make your tail. Starting dot, slant up to the top line, curve back, cross, touch the bottom, retrace, touch the middle, curve around, loop, slant, touch the bottom, make your tail. Last K. So we're going to slant up toward the top, curve back, cross, touch the bottom, retrace up, curve around, touch the middle, make your loop, slant down, touch the bottom, make your tail. Alright, now turn over the page. Continue to practice your H's and K's. And thank you for joining me.